What if the answer to better digestion and a more balanced weight wasn't a fancy pill or a complicated diet, but something as simple as a daily spoonful of gelatin? Researchers say that the gelatin trick is more than just a folk remedy. It's actually rooted in some pretty cool science. You see, gelatin is rich in amino acids that help heal and seal the lining of our gut, which can get damaged from the food we eat and the stress we're under. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you're essentially giving your digestive system a little extra love and support. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for months, swears that it's helped her wake up without that bloated feeling, and she's noticed a real difference in her overall energy levels. The gelatin trick is all about using basic ingredients from your kitchen to create a simple, yet powerful, daily ritual. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, check out the link in the description below for a detailed rundown of how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.